is the one that I just talked about. Domain are tailored specifically for industries or functions. So you have marketing specific ones. You have a text specific, because people say, hey, this is proposal writing AI tool. I've included one, which has been sponsoring a lot these days. I've included. So obviously, I'm not a great fan of those things, but it's as an example that just go with that. So primarily, you can see here, the GAN model, that was the base version that DALL-E was based, uses an image. So if you want to, you need to choose the AI tool specifically, right? Either you need to choose it by function, which is like, hey, this is proposal writing thing, or you could choose by industry. Sometimes what happens is, okay, the AI is specifically good for writing,